Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Telegram in Windows 10. Type Telegram install in browser search bar. Click Telegram desktop. Click Get Telegram for Windows. Open downloaded file. Click Next to install Telegram. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Click Start Messaging. Type your phone number. Click Next. Type code received. Click Sign up. Create new channel. Click Create. Check public or private channel. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.